training programs are specially designed for the people who are all searching for a job into the industrial automation industry, or for the people who want to update their skill segment to get into their next level of the industry. In our training programs, the curriculum what we are offering is normally called as industry endorsed curriculum. That means actually whatever the need is there in that particular moment of time which is used into the industry, that kind of updated curriculum we are giving into our training program. The second one is that the people who are all taking the classes, they are all project engineers who is having the industrial experience or the real-time work experience. So the students are always having a chance to learn something from the people who is already having an excellent experience from the industry.